So I'm starting off by taking the sides down nice and short with my fingers. You can see I've got the top sectioned away. We're going to disconnect this haircut. So I've got from the temple back clipped up in a way to save the length up on top. But you can see on the sides, I'm basically taking the hair as short as my fingers can go. Once we get the hair removed, then I'm going to go through and do some scissor over comb to take it even a little bit tighter. Alright, so now it is time for some scissor over comb. Now, depending on how big your fingers are will determine how short you can cut hair using your fingers. So, if you're a man, you probably have bigger fingers, and the size, or I should say the length of the hair on the sides and back that you cut using your fingers, assuming you're trying to cut them as short as you can go, the hair is going to be longer than, let's say, somebody with smaller fingers. So for some people, they may be able to get the hair short enough just using their fingers. But if you want the hair shorter after taking the hair down as short as your fingers will go, that's typically then when you're going to want to either implement some scissor over comb or maybe utilizing the clippers, whether it's clipper over comb or clippers with the guard, whatever it may be. Now, I personally really enjoy doing the scissor over comb technique. The scissor over comb technique typically is one that most people avoid because it does take a little bit longer, but for many people it's also very difficult. A lot of people can do scissor over comb utilizing thinning shears where the blade of the scissor isn't a solid blade. The reason why it's difficult to do scissor over comb with a solid blade, just standard typical shears, is you will see every line that you cut in the hair if you do it inconsistently. So, based off of that, most people will stay away from scissor over comb with standard shears. They're going to want to use, as I mentioned, thinning shears. Whatever it is that you decide that you want to use, typically this is where you're going to want to bust out either scissor over comb or, as I mentioned, utilizing your clippers, whether that be throwing a guard on or clipper over comb. Alright, so now it is time to bring the top down. As you can see, it's already dry. I went through and blew dry the hair. And now I'm just shaping the line where the disconnection is going to be. So I'm going to go through, cut the top, and then texturize the top. So here I go, cutting the top right there, as I mentioned. Cutting square layers up at top just to lighten it up there. And then I'm going to go through and texturize it just so that my model can wear her hair with some texture. She can wear it sleek. She can decide how she wants to dress her hair from day to day with some versatility. As you can see, I'm going through slicing out some hair just to give the hair some texture. Again, just giving my model versatility on if she wants to dress it smooth or kind of messy and disheveled. Alright, so we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching this disconnected, graduated, layered haircut.